All right, what are we working on here?
113-inch Ultima motor. Clapped.
What'd you pay for this pile of crap?
Too much.
How good was it?
Not good.
Why is it apart?
Because it's not good.
Not good.
That's why it's here.
That's right.
Let's see how straight the crank is. Spin it.
It's going to puke. Oh boy, that's just sad to look at.
It's like a twin cam.
Yep. Oh, look at this. Look at this. You're making a mess.
Oh, look, it's pussing all over. He didn't even drain the oil out of the motor before he came over.
Yeah, it's like it's bleeding.
My whole workbench is full of oil. Got my tools all full of oil. And he didn't care either.
No, not really.
Didn't care. So you like the pistons with the garbage going through?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
And this is the early Gen 1 motor, so you can't buy parts for it.
Yeah. Oops.
And you like the new bore job over here, you said?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, I thought you did those, no?
Yeah, the crosshatch pattern non-existent. It might just be raw bore. Well, we said it was standard though, right?
No, it's 5 over.
He probably took a dingleberry in there, just dingleberried it.
Oh, that's a pretty good job. I wonder why it was...
You're supposed to go up and down though as you do your dingleberry.
I wonder why there was oil on top of the piston.
I don't know, the head gasket never leaked.
No, no. This was a 2,000 miles, he told me.
2,000 miles.
Yeah.
I believe it.
Yeah.
That way I want to show them the Loctite.
Yeah.
Use the proper amount of red Loctite on your compensator and your alternator
That
rotor.
it didn't back off, I can tell you that.
It did not come. It did not loosen up.
It did not loosen up, yeah.
It stayed on there nice and tight.
Yeah, including the
Now,
this didn't fall off either.
Now, did they have this size bottle or did they have that big giant bottle?
He used one of those pumps, you know, the hand dispenser or soap dispenser.
Oh, that's the kind. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so these nuts are for the motor mount bolts in the center. All right, so we're going to try to save this motor as best we can because pistons are not really available. Because these have the old Evo style wrist pin in them. Should have a 5-piece crank in it. And the new motors are 3-piece crank and small block Chevy wrist
The
pin
cam's
size.
here somewhere. I don't know where I put it down.
Good. And this had 2,000. Well, we check out the custom broken bolt remover.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah, of course. It was stuck in there. I didn't know what else to do.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah.
Got good oil pressure right now.
But look, there was a silicone in here, so it sealed properly.
Well, that didn't want it to leak.
No, not at all.
All right, so anyway, this has the old style crank in it, so which means parts availability are a little skimpy, and it has the S&S rip-off style rocker boxes, so it takes S&S kind of seals, which are the old ones. How's this cover look? Still got the chromium on it. All right, this your drain oil?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
This was the only good part.
The oil pump?
Jim's oil pump.
You said it was all screwed up.
Yeah, scratched.
All right. So we're going to make a mess here. All right. You're in charge.
Sounds good.
Point and shoot.
Alright.
If he messes up, it's his fault.
It's always my fault.
It's always his fault, even at home.
Just how it works.
This is tampon.
That's right.
Oh.
Motor tampon.
Let that go.
Metal ball bearing.
Protector.
Perfect.
Only got one though. We'll save that for the next guy.
Just screw those threads.
If you don't take these out, the grease and muck stays in the case because they're dirty. You know how I knew they were going to be dirty?
How'd you know?
Because everything in this motor is dirty.
I want to edit this like at the office.
Okay. See why I'm doing his videos?
Do that every time.
We're gonna.
Do that every time I say something.
How dirty is this going to be?
Not at all.
Do you think it's even in there? Do you think it's even in there?
Probably not. There is
There's a spring in
a
there.
filter. Is there a spring?
Yeah, there's a spring because I lifted it up and I unscrewed it. Oh, it's in upside down. Good.
Perfect.
It doesn't work.
Slightly collapsed.
It doesn't work when it's upside down.
It does not work when it's upside down. One little metal flake.
The big
Perfect.
end. The big end's supposed to go down, not up.
Oh my god, what a joke. Look at this. That's factory right there.
Smudge.
Look at that, look at that. What is that? Oh, metal shaving. Perfect.
Well, it collected metal.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't do anything.
No, it just kind of hung out right there.
Perfect.
think that's a pubis hair, actually. Wonderful.
Maybe. Hoping that bolt don't come out.
What about these metal chunks? Are these bad?
Those are break-in lube.
Oh yeah, look at that one right there. Perfect.
How'd you pull out 3 nuts and you still got 2 nuts on this one bolt?
Well, I didn't finish pulling them out. That's what happened.
So you double up your hardware is what you like doing.
Oh, it wasn't me.
Wasn't me. Whose stand is that?
My stand.
I'm sending a 9/16 wrench over there. Behind you.
I don't know where it is.
Behind you.
Where's behind me? I did a 360. I couldn't
Behind
find
you.
it. Oh. Ah.
Right in front of you or right behind you?
If you don't got a tool bucket, you ain't tooling.
You're
9/16.
supposed to clean your hands off before you touch my tools.
Give me a clean rag.
I did.
You want to see his clean rags? Hold on, let me see.
Like that one.
No, they're outside. These are the good ones.
Yeah, here we go.
This is where he keeps the freshies. Right?
Ew.
Yeah. Oh, that's how you clean your hands right there.
You're better off just using one.
There we go. I got nice and clean.
Nasty.
Those are vintage used ones?
Those are vintage used. You know, Tatro, you should sell those on
How come
eBay.
that's back down in the garbage can? Pull that out.
Wait, pull,
This is
pull-
fresh.
That's
pull
not
out
used
that.
yet.
This is
That's
fresh.
fucking expired.
It's still white. It ain't used up yet.
Yeah, see those spots right there?
Ew.
You know how much oil he's got in the
No
lower end?
standards.
You know how much oil's in this lower end? of the
That's right.
computer?
That's right. Yeah, just throw that down there. That's cool.
I didn't care about it.
There's literally hair on.
Still clicks oil. That one has a problem.
It's a little stuck.
Yeah. The stand doesn't match.
No, the stand is.
You have to modify the stand to do
Yeah,
it.
it
At least you
is.
got a grade 8 bolt you're using though.
Needs slight modification. That bolt wasn't going nowhere.
Those threads might be slightly damaged now.
No, no. Yeah, we threaded it on there to get it on. Yeah.
I know. Instead of fixing the problem, you destroyed the bolt.
No, yeah. When I'm in Arizona and I gotta leave in 30 minutes, I'm not fixing the stand.
You don't care?
No, I couldn't care less, truthfully.
There you go. Don't get that dirty.
Let me just not get it dirty with these hands.
Okay, how many bolts are in there?
None.
Throw that outside and get be puke out there. At least we got some clean stuff here. This is a big mess.
You don't have any buckets?
Yep, right here. How many are you going to use?
Hmm.
Perfect.
Appears to be dirty.
No, that oil was just changed, he said.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2,000 miles on the motor.
Jeez.
Still breaking.
If you get rid of that, it doesn't make such a big mess. I broke out a whole new set of these for you.
Check.
I get the double thick ones that really absorb a lot of oil. They'll suck up a whole gallon,
That's right.
one sheet.
We're about to find out. It's kind of wandering.
Well,
I was
why don't you
looking
tell
at
me there's
that.
one out the other side.
I didn't see.
I thought he was cool with it. So I didn't say anything.
You were watching it?
Yeah, I was literally recording it.
Yeah, we can't see it because on the other side of the motor.
You're just...
Oh no. I was like, I thought this table's meant for that to happen.
Well, I can't clean under this because there's too much crap on it. See, the oil's supposed to be going over the pad, not out the back side there.
I have stuff in my eyes, but I can't wipe it with this.
I can wipe your eyes for you.
Thank you.
Which one?
Both.
Let's start one at a time.
That was a terrible way to wipe. What
I
the
don't
hell was
know.
that?
Okay. Oh wait.
That was a clean rag from outside.
That's the face washing rag.
Absolutely not.
Alright, a lot of it came out, but there's more.
Oh. Look at that. Skinny legend.
It's lubricated. That won't rust now.
Well, it is a steel bench. It wipes up. Can't believe how bent your crank is.
Yeah.
Is it done dripping?
Somewhat.
Pretty much.
How to drain your crankcase with Tatro.
Really, just let it.
What did I tell you to
spill
bring?
out.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, cam.
What was on the list?
Yeah, use solvent. There we go, brought that.
What was on the list actually?
Oil pan.
Oh my
Oops.
gosh, that would have been helpful.
I called him before I left. I said, Tatro, what should I bring? I forgot. Cam, whatever you think's important.
Now my
Tatro, look at this rag. You still got white on this.
Yeah. Leave it in
Wasteful.
there.
Lady wasteful.
Be lucky if it doesn't have a hole in that damn thing. Because that one's still usable. We'll be needing it too. Now this here might be a little vintage too.
The least vintage.
Get dirty. Where'd the clean towel go? Oh, yeah, right here. Oh, this already made a mess over here.
Can I toss this or you want to save it?
Don't get too carried away. You might have to use that damn thing.
No, I got them over here.
Are these the right ones?
Well, let's find out. They look close enough. No, they don't. They don't look right at all. It's missing a hole.
I'll give you a hint. There's a motor.
Yeah.
Put it on there.
It doesn't. Look. It's not going to fit. Look, it's got no other
Is
holes.
this the new one?
It's got no hole. It's got no oil hole.
Is this the new one?
Yes.
There's a hole right there. I think it lines up perfect.
Yeah, what about this one over here? Oh, are they crimped? You got no pinhole now. You got no pinhole.
Alright. Where's the other gasket?
Right
Front
here.
and rear.
Oh, let's find out. Oh, there is a front and rear.
There is the front and rear.
My goodness.
The new one's there is no front
We
and rear.
cracked the case.
The old ones have a front and a rear. Look at that, they fit. They're
Wonderful.
like they're made for it.
Why are you getting my gasket dirty?
These are now lubed up.
Perfect. I'll just throw it right there.
They're not identifiable for being new or old.
There you go.
Now that's dirty.
Oh my god.
You didn't wipe them off before you threw them on there.
Ruined.
Now, what'd you learn about gasket scraping?
From last night?
Yes.
We don't speak of that.
How many hours were you doing that?
We don't speak of that.
You don't talk about that?
No.
Oh, I remember you telling me a thing or two about scraping some gaskets for 2 hours.
What year was that motor?
Yeah. That was NOS, what was it, 96 gaskets. Fresh. They peeled right off. Like nobody's business.
Yeah,
Scratch that case.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, they didn't come off that easily, I'll tell you that.
They didn't come off like this?
No.
You know why they didn't come off this easy? Because these are
They're
not base gaskets.
32-year-old
These are
paper
not,
gaskets.
These are not base gaskets. That's why
Yeah.
they came off like that. Those base gaskets are miserable.
It was 3 hours. Boris was there another hour after I left, getting the other one.
The rocker boxes on shovel I've had just about as bad too. So you gotta have a sharp scraper that gets under the gasket.
Yeah, scratch that gasket surface.
You gotta do a little rotation like that, helps a ton. I highly advise not putting your finger anywhere near the front of that. We have Fred videos of that, what happens when you do that.
This Fred guy doesn't know how to camera.
Let's just say there's a lot of red involved.
Fred's dead.
You know why I'm doing this right now?
Why is that?
Because it's easier to do it and doesn't move so much.
Wait, so this is what you were doing last night?
Yeah, not this easy.
He didn't have this tool.
No.
It wasn't as sharp.
And they didn't come off that
The
easy.
gaskets were a lot harder.
They were one with the cylinders.
I was gonna say
Yeah,
that
they
didn't
are.
look that tricky.
Alright, so we got that part off.